It's time for some more Daily Dose. We've got the funniest dog videos, part 2.
These are the funniest dog videos on the internet.
Part 2.
Nicely.
Be good, be good, be good, be good, be good. Oh no!
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Chicken. Got some stinky feet. Got some stinky feet.
Okay, I am going to give my dog an egg. Theoretically, she will understand that she is supposed to take care of it.
What do you mean she's supposed to understand to take care of it? It's an egg. It's not a puppy. Aww.
¿Quién está ahí? ¿Quién anda ahí? ¿Dónde está? ¿Quién es? No hay nadie. No hay nadie.
You gotta be quicker than that.
Rage baiting the fat dog.
Oh, you.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 indeed. It's like, oh, feed, give your poor dog a treat. What the
This
hell?
dog ducks their head every time they drive under a bridge.
Look out, bridge.
He's been fed, he's been out. There's nothing on his list of needs that have to be taken care of except for this. He just needs to be held.
How did she do this?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had?
Like, you staring at me, lady? What? Uh-oh. Oh!
They try to give this dog some medicine.
This is never easy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
This dog couldn't decide which side of the car had the better view.
Dude, that would make me nervous, though. That would make me so nervous. Because at this point, I just figured the dog was ready to just jump out the window. Wait for it. Wait for... Oh. Oh, no! Oh. They got the stick. Nope. What?
This dog is an absolute freak.
Her?
I'm pooping.
Vamos. ¿Qué hiciste? Vamos. ¿Qué hiciste? Vamos.
I mean,
¿Qué hiciste?
you watch them poop sometimes, right?
There's a trend where people see if their dogs would save them if they
yes.
were to suddenly get attacked.
This is so stupid. I love it, though. He's way more worried that they're gonna steal his food.
Did you eat the sourdough? Did you do it? Who did that? Who did that? Was this you? Was this you? Libby, what?
You found the criminal. I'm waiting for the dog to like roll its eyes.
So sleepy, not ready to do anything, not ready to get up until I ask, would you like to go? Ooh, that.
Ha! Like, my bed.
This
My
dog really
bad.
thought it was all over.
Uh-huh. Do it. Ow. Ow.
He knows the magic word to make his dog wake up.
If I say the word CHICKEN, she will wake up. Anything else I say,
No.
she's not waking up. Steak, beef, hamburger, chicken.
Huh? Oh my god, they're so excited! They're so excited!
This person went to go pick up their dog from daycare when their dog's face lights right up.
Come on, come on.
Taking a break from moving and unpacking. Take a break, man. Relax.
This
Wow.
dog finally had enough of getting bothered by this kitten.
It's like, stop. Like, stop. The hell? Puppy! Look at that little puppy.
This dog likes to stop by this car wash to get a good rub.
But he's holding it with his hand. He's holding it with his hand. Hi, buddy. Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hi, buddy.
Oh no, the ball! Aw. Aw.
Katy. ¿Qué te pasó?
Porcupine.
This dog got mad at the ice for being slippery.
Will.
This dog wasn't too happy about being at daycare.
Hey, look at all these wieners.
What? What? Bless you. Bless you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Crunch.
You can do it, but you have to give it back. We have to give it back. Give me the egg. Drop it.
Crunch.
Aww. Oh my god. Stop!
Their dog isn't too
Nope.
happy about the new baby.
Yeah, ghosts of strange sounds are common. Oh, that dog is
This
done.
dog's scream sounded exactly like a human.
It can't be real.
Hold on, Cole. You ready?
Good finding then.
Oh!
Oops.
This family has a piano, and they like to play dramatic music while their dogs fight over toys.
That little one's not... He's trying. Uh-oh! They ripped it! They ripped it! Wait.
This dog got upset when this guy stopped petting.
It's like, how dare you?
Yeah. Tundra, go through. God dang it.
Well, they made it to the other side.
Big one. Oh!
Yay!
What's that? What's that?
What? What the hell was that? What was that? I thought it was going to be a freaking tater tot or a hot dog or something.
What are you doing? What? No. 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 Hey!
Ah, there goes the towel.
There was something stuck inside of this dog's mouth.
Come here. What is it?
A quarter?
He was trying to think of the best way to get down the stairs.
Come on.
An English sausage? Okay.
Come on.
No, the pup. No.
Excuse me, sir.
This
Nice.
big dog showed this little dog what a real bark is supposed to sound like.
That was like a puppy. No, puppy. It's not gonna stop the puppy. Oh!
Can I have that? What is it?
No.
Can I please?
No.
What
No.
is that?
No.
Oh.
Ah,
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
no. Oh, they're gonna get smacked. Oh no, they're gonna get. Oh. Oh. Dude, I want some chicken nuggets right now. I can go for some chicken nuggets.
Hey! No!
Nyah. Nyah.
No!
Nyah.
No!
Nyah. Get him.
No. Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
Sit.
Smack. Good boy.
Will you be my Valentine?
Aww.
Wait.
Bro, I went to McDonald's and got a 4-piece nugget meal thing. And I was looking at it. I got a double nugget, so I got 5 nuggets, bro.
No. Now you only have 3.
You want to go on a car ride? Let's go.
Car ride?
We're going on a car
ride.
ว่ามีได้ล้างกันกับ ก้าวเกียรติน้อยเวลาเจ็บปวดรวดร้าวมาก
Oh, ow, ow. That can't feel good. Ow.
เข้าหลังเว
Boink, 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 boink.
Bring your butt here.
Okay, there's the butt. You wanted the butt. There's the butt.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
Better.
Shake. Shake. Pig. Shake.
Oh, no. Poor guy. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh, we gone.
Oh my god. Lewis.
Nice.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits.
Sit your butt down. Sit your butt down so we can treat.
You guys.
Hey, my goodness. May May. yeah. Hey, May, you don't do that. Oh my gosh.
It was his dog's first time seeing snow.
Damn, excuse me. Oh, you're so dramatic, bro.
Oh no, there we go. Oh no. They're just having fun. That's a big freaking stick. That's a big stick. What the frick is... What the hell? They're just... That must be something dramatic on TV.
This has to be the bravest dog I've ever seen.
Is it a trash bag? It's a plastic bag. Okay. Well, there you go.
Stitch, are you ready to get out of bed?
No.
No?
Right here.
Wondering as an alligator?
This dog wanted to interrupt.
I thought it was a trash bag.
ceremony.
I thought it was a trash bag, not a plastic bag. Just having a good old time. Look at him. Aww.
Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride?
Car ride?
Ai, Zima, dois beijinhos, beijinho, 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 beijinho. Hands up!
But Lisa, what is going on? Dude, our dog.
This dog absolutely hates eye contact.
What the hell?
That tail can't get away now.
Hey, Brisket, I got a question for you. Brisket, do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh my god, yeah.
Would you like a carrot? Take.
And gone. Oh, that looks good. They think so too.
He wanted to show off the new shoes that he got.
Oh,
what the fuck?
You good? Are you okay?
What the hell?
Gets really
That's not what I was expecting.
Excited.
Oh, you're already. Do you want some chicken? You're already falling asleep. Oh,
Aww.
no.
He's got it, but he's
She's
past.
cute, but she's actually really scary.
Push him.
Do you want breakfast?
Oh. Yep. God damn it. Nah! We got two fights going on here.
Why does this dog sound like a man? Imagine being so good at something that nobody bothers to look at you.
Why? What the? Why? Why is it so good on balancing on that ball?
I have never seen a dog blow out candles like this.
Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Blow your candle out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Good.
There you go. Hey, worked, right? It worked. Uh-oh. No, the doggo. Hello.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
What you say?
Oh my god.
Look at that.
TV dog.
This dog absolutely hates it when this Roomba is on. This dog
It's learned how to turn it off.
Get their nails cut.
Ginger. No, you're scared. It's just cutting your nails. I'm not gonna hurt you.
There she goes. Punk.
And feigning. Oh, look at the puppy. Uh-oh. The couch is eating him. The couch is eating the puppy. Hello. There's a... Dude, I bet you anything that dog didn't really even notice that it was covered in snow. I bet you anything that dog isn't even cold at all. Maybe a little runny nose.
This dog loves to jump in the laundry when the dryer is warm.
Probably comfy, yeah.
She was just trying to take a bath.
God damn it. Oh no, there's another one. And another one.
It was his first time ever meeting a horse.
Nay. He has no idea. Just like I don't wanna mess with it. It's bigger, way bigger than me. Bless you. Bless you. Good lord. Someone's being nosy.
Are you being a nosy neighbor?
Yes.
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
But
Jenny,
but
can I help you?
Butt scratch. Butt scratch.
What is it?
Butt scratch.
You show me your butt?
He won't stop begging. You gotta get a little waterworks going. Maybe a little whimpering. Aww.
How much snow did we get?
Я понял. Дальше.
Does anyone know why dogs do this?
Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh god! Oh yeah! Oh
This poor dog
god!
really thought it was
This dude. It looks like she freaking hits her head hard too. Look at this.
This poor dog really thought it was all over. It was their first time showing their dog their new house that they just bought.
Their butts.
Oh, is it exciting?
Bonk.
The way he shakes off the snow is so satisfying.
Another dog that probably doesn't really know that it's cold outside. No.
Eso.
He's so cute.
Little waddle.
She knows straight away that the having time.
So yummy.
This dog just got home from the vet and was still on some heavy
Oh.
medications.
Oh. He had the good stuff. Yeah. Yeah, the good stuff, huh?
You sound like you smoke 2 packs a day.
Hello. 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 Look at the little...
Sit. Sit. Yeah, bust a move. Bust a move. Bust a move.
Nice. Oh, that's a freaking... That's not a dog, that's a gremlin.
No, you just got locked up, boy. Yes, I got locked up. You can't even get... Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Sadie, high five.
High five.
No.
That's roll over. That's not high five. A 300-year-old.
¿Vas a dejar de morder? ¿Vas a dejar de morderme? Vamos a pasear. Te dije que no.
No. They just can't help. He's too cool.
Bro,
He's
don't
too
believe me
cool.
that my dog is scared of Kim Jong-un. He does not like him. Who is this, Johnny? Who is that? Yeah, you tell him. Yeah, you tell him.
Something tells me this isn't his first time getting caught.
He don't care. He's got the ball. He got the ball. He got what he came for. And then they go. Got the hang out.
No, vete.
That stance.
Come, come.
I have never seen a dog.
Powerful
before.
stance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, they're out. Oh. Oh, they're out. They're out.
Come on, inside. You wanna come in?
The heck? Oh, they do now. They definitely do now.
This guy wanted to see what would happen if he screamed while his dogs were playing.
Like, what? Wanna know where a perfect person like you belongs? In the trash.
Her dog wants to attack any object she shows interest in.
I love pine. Wow, a bush. Wow, a flower.
They're getting jealous. They're getting jealous.
That is the end of this video. Just a reminder that if you enjoyed this video, I do have a YouTube channel called
Yeah.
Daily Dose of Pets where I show the funniest pet videos on the internet. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon.
So
Bye,
was
guys.
this video an advertisement for the pet video, the pet channel? Too late. Already subscribed.